Do you want your garden hose neatly stored out of the way? Are you tired of tangles? Do you want to be able to quickly move the hose around? These retractable hose reels are your solution. I have 4 and 3 of the Giraffe brand, and the 4th is a Flowmaster. This is not a sponsored video. I paid for all of these. I'll put a link in the video description below for these exact hose reels and more. Oh, and stay to the end where I explain these easy quarter turn valves. They are really great for old tired hands. When it comes to washing your car or watering your plants, I want my garden hose to be easy to use and put away. It's something that I do hundreds of times a year. No one likes to roll up the hose each time or trip over it. These hose reels reduce a large barrier to getting work done. You'll find yourself wanting to grab the hose just because it's so easy. The Giraffe Retractable hose is perfect for this. The one I have is the 60-foot version and 5/8 inch diameter, and it also comes with a mounting kit. They make many different sizes, and the adjustable hose stopper allows you to pull the hose out to the desired length, then it will stop and lock. When you're done, pull forward a little and it will retract. The hose can be mounted on a post, the wall of a house, or even inside your garage. It swivels 180 degrees to follow you around the yard. If your install location won't reach the hose bib, you can add a small hose extension like I did here. A few times a year, I need to move the hose around to drain the water heater and other tasks. All you have to do is disconnect from the hose bib and lift up on this thing and walk away. The Giraffe hose comes with a plastic sprayer, which to be honest isn't very tough. It does the job, but I like to replace it with a metal sprayer. That way if I drop the nozzle, I won't have to worry about it breaking, and this one is over 2 years old and holding up well. Because these hose reels sit out in the side all day long, I like to spray them with 303 UV inhibitor to protect it, but I'm also picky. In freeze-prone areas, you'll want to detach the hose from the bib and store it in the garage or a shed to prevent freezing. Freezing can damage any hose. If you read the Amazon reviews, the company Giraffe has stepped up many times to warranty people's hoses. It does come with a 24-month warranty. Lastly, if you're tired of twisting your water valve on and off, you should consider upgrading your hose bib to these easy quarter turn valves. It will save your wrist over the years. They're so much easier to use. The valves are around $14 and they're an easy DIY item. I'll put the links in the video description below. If you live in a cold environment, you'll need to get the frost-free versions that rotate inside the wall to protect from freezing, and you may need a plumber for that. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this video makes your gardening and cleaning easier. It really helps to avoid the hassle of tangled hoses. It's an easy upgrade for any homeowner. If you liked today's video, please give us a like and a subscribe for more Fix It with Jake videos. Goodbye.